Good morning and welcome to your mortgage rate forecast. It's March 15th. Let's get you some charts. Here's what we have. You can see we are still trading in this downward trading channel right here on the charts. As far as this morning, we are currently at $101.50. We're seeing support down here at about $101.20, and we're seeing resistance up above us at about $102. Right now, the bonds have actually, even though you can't really see much improvement, you can see a bit of improvement over the last 2 days. However, interestingly enough, retail sales came out worse than expected, which helped bonds. The 10-year notes are actually doing really well right now. And the Fed says there's almost no chance of a rate increase. So all of these are positive factors for the bonds, but you can still see they really haven't got any traction yet. So to kind of quantify where we're at, Freddie Mac reported the average interest rate in February to be about 3.66 at 0.6 points. And right now, that means we were trading from an average of about $102.40 to about $101.50, which is a 90-point difference, which would mean that same rate on average right now is going to cost about, instead of 0.6 points, 1.5 points. That kind of shows you where you're at. Here's the forecast. Both Neil and Dan believe that on a long term and the short term, they're kind of biased toward neutral. They think that we are definitely in a downward trading channel, but bonds may actually get a little bit of traction and trade flat. However, Neil and Dan do kind of have a bullish outlook on the long term. So they do kind of think, hey, we could see some improvement as time goes on, but it's hard to say. At the end of the day, we're still in a downward trading channel, so we have to be really careful about floating our loans right now because we are getting pressure pushed down on us. So at any rate, if you'd like more information, my info is here. Please be sure to like the video. Everything likes to be liked, right? And so does this video. So, and we'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments down below. If it's your first time on the page, you can hit subscribe up here and you'll get updates whenever we do mortgage rate forecasts. And if none of this made sense and you're like, huh? Well, that's okay. It's not something you learn overnight. There's a link up here at your top right, and that'll take you to Mortgage Bonds 101 and teach you how this impacts you as a consumer. Anyway, take care, guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you